All right, prime time. Here's the video to find the winner of tonight's break number 34, which is one of the 1986 Fleer NBA cards. We'll check the time, June 15th at 5:07 p.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. And we've got June 15th at 5:07 p.m. There's the list of our 9 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. All right, 12 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Paulie, spot number 3 is our winner. So, Paulie, whatever is in box number or break number 34's box tonight is yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, June 15th at 5:08 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.